more and more practice on daily basis. So that's the important thing. Okay, so let's begin. I'm just sharing my screen and going to open Photoshop. Screen is visible. Online students.
Yes,
Just
sir.
let me
Yes,
confirm.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So create new, and I'm begin with the A4 size, and my part with the begin with the landscape and resolution. I'm just taking only 72 because I don't want high resolution file. Is it okay? The name is, we are going to learn about basic logo design. So logo design, right? File name. Then just create. Okay. So here is on the left side, it's called our tool palette, and we begin with a few tools. It's a move tool, right? And the shortcut is V, right? So when we press V on the keyboard, so we can easily access move tool. And on our right side of this tool, we have an mark you tools, right? So, and on the other hand, we have a control palette, and there is very important tool is called layers. This is layers, right? So when we open file, there would be a file named with the background, right? So it's a background, right? Always we find it. It's a already mentioned here. So we just can change the name. So suppose we want to change its name, so we can easily change the name. So the name would be again, so background. So I just mentioned the BG, and here you can see the lock is open now. If I want to log the again, so then there is an option, so we can easily log in. Now it's locked, unlock. Okay. So we want to design some logos, and at a point of view as a designer, before design anything, we need to understand the observational skill. We have to improve observational skill. How to understand a logo design. So now, before working with the basic shapes, we need to understand that how many logos begin with the basic shapes. So how many popular logos in available in a basic shapes. So there is few basic shapes like a square, rectangle, triangle, oval, and circle, right? So here we have few shapes. So we can make it with the marquee tool. We can make square. We can make rectangle. We can make circle. We can make ovals, right? So I'm just taking few references through Google. One is SDFC logo. It's a very nicely designed and very, we can see the basic shapes in it easily. We can find out the basic shapes easily, right? So it's in a square, right? So I'm just taking the reference. So here's my reference, and just save image in reference file on desktop, right? So I have a logo, I can check it out. Another reference. This one is also look good. Okay, so we can take any reference. इसको भी रख लेते हैं. On desktop reference is a PNG image. Okay, so we need to change in a JPEG. It's not look good. Again is a PNG. We can see PNG. Right. So we have a reference image. So we need to design the reference with the help of reference. So in a file, we need to open file because we have a reference and we want to import here. So we just go in a open and want to take reference. So as the reference file, you can see. So I'm searching the simple logo design. Where is it? I saved it here. And found. Where is one? I think I have to check it out again. It's not downloaded, it's a discarded image. So here is some issue, I think, in it. So we need to download it again. Just click and download. So we have another file. It's called our reference. Just go on a move tool, click V shortcut, or we can do it here. And then just we have to drag and drop. So we can find out the same thing here. You can do it. Just click unlock. Right. So as I told you earlier that now we have to keep this file on this layer. Right. So we just take it and drop it with a click. You have to press mouse first click and then go on this particular layer which we want to drop. Here we can drop it here, right? Just click and drop, right? So now I want to delete this layer. This is my reference, and to check the reference, we can zoom in or zoom out. We can crop it, right? So for zoom in, zoom out, we have an option for Control plus. You can do Control plus on the keyboard, so we can find out zoom, and with the help of Control minus, we can do zoom out. Control plus, Control minus. Is it okay? And now we can work out with the Control T. Control T is a shortcut for transformation. With the enter, we can find out the same thing we can find out in a I think transform. We need to go in a Control T and we can find out the option transformation, right? So here you can see, right? Is it okay or any doubt, guys? इतना समझ में आ रहा है? ठीक है. Okay. So as we can see, the reference, my reference I have to design is like this. So we have to crop all the details. So definitely we have an option, right? Crop tool is here, right? So just click, you can find out the in a video what's the shortcut of cropping C, right? So just click on the crop and we have to select the layer of reference image where we put. Just click. See the issues which we find. Just enter. So you can see the issues. It cropped the whole layers and your file size too, right? So when we want to crop it, what we can do, we have to go on a marquee tool, right? Which area we can select, we can easily delete it. So we have an option for that. Right now we want to keep this area, right? So we have two options. Just do Control C and take another layer. There is a sign of plus. So we can go and we can just paste it and we can delete this image. So now we have an only reference, right? Another option, we can delete it, the same option. Now we can do it both. We can delete the extra part and we can copy the same part which we want. Okay, so there is a part we have to use as a reference right now. Okay, so we have to begin. If you want to guys change the background tones because the base is the same white, so we can change the color. Go on a BG layer, select the BG layer, and we have to change the color. So there is an option. I haven't set foreground color. So what we can do with the help of Alt backspace, so we can do the color change, and we have another option of when we press G. So inside it we have a paint bucket tool. Shortcut is G, right? Paint bucket tool, we can do the same thing. right? Suppose we want to change the color. So any color, what you want, you can take and just click it and we can change. But we need to understand that the layers options, we have to select the particular layer where we want to do some changes, right? So we have to change the color. Now I want to lock the background layer, so I can just click on the lock and it's locked. Now it's a reference image. Now I have to change the name, mention the name, reference, right? And what we have to design, so we can do it reference control minus, so we have to control T, then just expand the size. Control T, it means transform, right? So we can transform it easily. There is another lots of another options which we will cover in the next sessions. So but now you have to understand only scaling, right? So it's a part of scaling, so that's a part we need to copy. Press enter and we can, now we have to lock the site, lock image. Now my reference image is already locked. Now I cannot move it. So when we pick move tool, it's not work. Reason, the layer is locked. Is it okay? So every time we need to understand that when we want to work with the reference, so we need to keep the reference file in a bottom and we need to design or draw everything on a above layers, right? So we can always keep it locked. So need to understand that we need to lock it again. If I want to unlock, so just click and we can unlock the layers, right? So we have an option like this, just lock it and take another layer. Another option, what's the option is plus, so we can find out another layer now. So we can take the reference as layer one, initial. So what exactly, which color we have to want in a background for designing this logo? Just let me confirm. Which color we can find out in a background if I want to design with the basic tools. What we have to take first. So we have a white tone in a background, right? So we want to take a white color, right? And with the help of we can see we have an option of just press the space bar, so you can move, you can check the sizes. Right now it's okay, then again just press, drop it here. Right now, okay, so we want to fill the same color, so just click here and you can pick the color. When you come on that reference layer, so you have to just click, that's the color picker already automatically comes on a layer. So just which color you want to take, just click it one there, so you found the same color. Suppose we want to fill this color, we want to fill this color, we want to fill this color, just click it, so take the same sample, right? So I want to fill this white tone, so this one is my white tone, then I pick OK. And then again, shortcut key is G for fill with the paint bucket tool, or shortcut of foreground color for Alt backspace. So I use Alt backspace and I have to find out this design, then Control D for deselect, right? Now another tone, I want another square, right? So just again, I pick the reference and drag it, right? And move it here. So what we have to do next? What we have to do in the next? Let me confirm. What we have to do? We have to do it with a white tone, or we have to do something different. What we have to do for designing the same thing? white. Exactly. So we are working on a wrong side. So just drop it idea and just take another layer. And we want to take the blue tone only, or we can take the red tone, right? So I think on a first, just click it and take the red tone in a background. So we just take the red tone and then again I fill the red tone here, then Control D, right? Now I have to change the design. I want white tone, just picking the white tones. And press the space bar so we can move it. Right, okay. Take another layer, right? Change the name, it's 2. Now, which color we have to fill it? So we need to fill the white tone. So go inside the color, which white tone? This one. Click. Okay. Then fill, Alt, backspace. Is it okay? Then Control D. Now, how can we design these lines? What's the option? क्या कर सकते हैं? Exactly, good. What we can do? We have an option. Just go on another layer, layer 3. So you guys can understand that Photoshop is not too much complicated. We need to understand the basic principle of designing, right? So here is an option. So you can check. And just keep the size, right? And in the center we need to place it, right? And we need to fill the white tone. Okay, so what we can do, we have to pick the color. We have already the white tones, so just select the layer and then Alt, backspace, Control D. Is it okay? Now we have lines already available, so we have to change. So just we can copy the line, go on the move tool and just press Alt. We have an option, right? Press Alt and just drag it. So we can find out the another copy of layer 3, right? Another option for copying the layers. We have another option, just press Control J. Control J is again a shortcut for copying layer, right? Control Z. Another option, just click, right click, and then right. So we can find out this. So in a Photoshop, we have a different option, different tools, and we have lots of options to do the same thing, right? So we can do it with the 3 types. So we can make a duplicate layer. We can do with the same thing. We can Control J. We can do it with the Alt, right? So you have to understand that in which way you can start working. So Alt is a very easy working tool. Just press Alt and just change it, copy it, right? Then Control T, and now you have to understand that when it comes, so just do the change. Press Shift, so it will be straight horizontal line. Then use to move tool, or you can work with the arrow keys. Right? So it's not a perfect square. So we need to understand that we can do the same thing with the Control T on the same layer, Control T, and we can arrange it here. Is it okay? So this is the way we will change the design. Now we want to fill this one, blue. So we have another option. We can copy the square, or we can change. We can copy. So we will go with the copy. So anyone can tell me how can we do the copy of this square, the option, and how can we find out where is it? I just want to ask how to copy this square.
Control
Control plus J. Good. And another option?
control control V.
Control and
V.
Control V. It's not, we can do it, we can't do it, the Control V. I just want to copy this square, this white square, so I can reduce the size and then I can arrange it in a blue. So what we can do? Let's go. It's on a layer number 2, right? I want to copy this layer. So I will just do right click and there is an option duplicate layer, right? So we can make it duplicate layer. And another option is Control J. So I will copy and I want to keep it on a top of this layer because it should be in a bottom, should be on a top. So we have to understand that. And on a top we have an option, so we can find out the few problems. So just do the Control T and then right, place it in a center, right, and enter. When you want to make selection or we want to do some changes in a color, so we can have to click in this particular area with the help of Control. So just press Control and then click. So we can find out the selection of the square. What I have to do? Just press Control and click it in the box. Just click it. So we can find the selection. We cannot do it again and again to make different selections. When we want to select anything, we have an option, just go and press click and we can find the selection. Suppose we want to select on this layer, so we have a selection of this layer. Just Control and click, Control D for deselect, right? So we want to select this copy part option and now I want to fill the color. Which color? This one. So just click it and I can find the same color. Just okay. And how we can fill the color? So we have another two option. Alt backspace is the shortcut key and Control G. When we press G on a keyboard, so we have an option paint bucket tool. So we can fill the color with the help of paint bucket tool, right? So I'm using shortcut Control D. So now this is the issue, and how can we resolve this issue? There is an issue. The lines is comes on the top. जो हमारी वाली लेयर है लाइन हम टॉप पे ले लेंगे तो पीछे का जो लेयर है वो हाइड हो जाएगा. Okay. Online students, just tell me how can resolve this problem. We have an option. There is an issue. We can see the lines. So how can resolve it?
सर लेयर्स को मूव करके सर
Layers को move कर सकते हैं. How can we do the moving? How can we move layers?
Sir, we'll put that a layer below the blue box one.
This one?
Yes, sir.
So we can keep it on the top. So you can see when it comes on a top, because it's an foreground, this one is on a background, this one is a deep background, right? So in this way we can change the design. We need to understand the foreground and background. So we can easily design anything with the help of very basic tools. We are using very basic tool of MarkU, right? And there's another option for the when we select this tool. So there is a control palette of this tool. You can find out the new selection. We can find the add selection and subtract selection, and there is an intersect, right? What you want, you can pick it and you can check it out. So suppose I was working with a design. So now I'm just doing control minus and I want to add this rectangular tool. So how can we select? So I have an option. Just go here and select it. Right? So I have a selection. Now I want to move it. Right? Nearby. Place it with the help of spacebar. Without spacebar, you cannot use. Right? Now I want to fill the color. So I have an option. I have to take another layer. So when we want to edit the particular layer, we can easily edit it. Now, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is 6. Right? It's a 2 copy. So the name of 5. This one is 6. So now Alt backspace Control D. Is it okay? So in this way, we guys can design lots of logos, and we can design a text also, or we have to work out with the very basic and creative logos we can design, right? How can we work out with these kind of design? So suppose we have an option, we want to write something, we can have another text or we can add it anytime. So suppose we are using this one, I want to change in a design. So I have an option, just keep different layers, right? And I want to design something, so I have an option, just select, right? Want to fill the color. So how can we switch the color? So there is an option when you click on the arrows, so we can foreground to background, background to foreground. We can do it with the arrow keys. Okay, you can understand that there is two, always we find two colors. One is foreground. Foreground, it means the above tones. ऊपर वाला जो कलर होगा वो फोरग्राउंड, पीछे वाला कलर होगा सेट बैकग्राउंड कलर, राइट? इनको हम स्विच कर सकते हैं किसी भी टाइम, ये हमारे पास एरोज कीज हैं, कभी भी हम बैकग्राउंड और फोरग्राउंड को स्विच कर सकते हैं, राइट? दूसरा ऑप्शन हमारे पास क्या होगा? एक्स. X is the shortcut key. When you press X on the keyboard, you can switch the color, background to foreground, right? So I want to fill the background color, so I have to switch it. Switch with the white color, then press Alt, backspace, right? I want to add selection, so again I have to show this. This is I have to select this tool. This tool. It's add to selection. So I want to add. Here you can see the plus sign, right? When we want to add something, we can add it with the help of spacebar. We can move it here and there. So what we want to design, we can design it, right? Suppose I want to place it here, I want to place it here. Suppose I want to place it here, right? See, so is it easy now? So you have to use this, then Alt backspace, Control D. So with the help of only selection tool, we can do it lots of things, right? Now, again, you have lots of logo designing. So we are working on a few of them. So suppose we have to design a logo. We have to remove this one, reference file, right? And when we want to select the whole layer, so we have an option, just delete it, and right. So then go on a move tool, right? Now we have an space and we have to design something with a select it and another layer. Now, elliptical marquee tool, right? I select elliptical marquee tool and just drag it. I have one circle, right? I have to fill the color. I have to fill the background color. So I switch the color, then Alt backspace, right? And Control D for deselect. Then another layer. Shortcut is for creating a different layer is, again, I have to describe Control Shift and it's a shortcut creating new layer, right? Control Z again. Suppose I want to take a new layer, so I have an option of plus. I can take new layer. It's an easy process, right? But shortcut keys for that, suppose we want to work out very fast, so we have a shortcut Control Shift N. So we have an option, we can change it, right? Now I have to design something different, so select circle, this bar, want to reduce the size, right? Want to fill white tone, so just switch the color with the help of X. X is the shortcut key, right? So we need to understand the shortcut key so we can do some faster work, right? If I want to do some fast, so we have to understand the shortcut keys. So we can understand shortcut keys with the help of when we place the cursor on the any tool, so we can find out the shortcut keys for that. Suppose we have to understand the shortcut keys for move tool, so there is a shortcut key we can understand. So V, right? Polygonal lasso tool, there is a shortcut keys for L, right? Cropping tool, shortcut key is C, right? So we have to just place the cursor and we can find the tools. Working tools, method, and we can find out the shortcut keys. So magic wand tool, there is a shortcut key for W, right? So I need to fill the colors. So again, I have to change the layers. This one is here, this one is another layer, Control E, and then on another layer, I have to change elliptical to rectangular marquee tool. Right, then Alt backspace Control D, so I can move. Right, so can anyone tell me कौन सा लोगो है ये? SBI.
Sir, SBI बैंक का.
SBI,
sir.
SBI का, right? So बहुत सारे ऐसे लोगोज हैं जो बहुत बेसिक टूल और बेसिक शेप्स के साथ बनाए गए हैं. So you guys have to understand that, and you have to search out these kind of logos, and you have to try to draw with few tools like rectangular marquee tool and elliptical marquee tool. We can do it with a very creative design also, but we need to understand how to use the tools. So suppose I have to design a different kind of logo, and this is my selection, right? I want to take a half circle. Half circle, it means half circle. So how can we make it half circle? What's the option for that? Only we have to use same tool. How can we crop it? It's another option. We can delete it after selecting the whole tool. We can fill the color and we can change. We want to take half, so we can do it the same thing. I'm just giving a demonstration. How can we do it? So as Hamza told us that just fill the color, Control D, and then and which tool? How can we select this half? With the help of cropping tool.
So
Walking
we
tool
can
doesn't
mask
work
it
with
out.
that. Sorry,
So we can mask it out.
mask. We are not working in an advanced tool. We have an only few tools like marquee tool, and we have to work out with the elliptical marquee tool or rectangular marquee tool.
So
We have
to
only these tools. We can delete it. So we have another option. Just select it with the help of
yes sir, फिर delete कर देंगे आप.
with the help of elliptical marquee tool. We rectangular marquee tool, and just select it. Right. We have to take the same layer. On the same layer, we have to make another selection with the help of rectangular marquee tool, and we have an key delete. So just press the delete key, so we can make it half circle, right? So we have lots of options in our Photoshop. We have to do it, right? So don't go here and there and search out the lots of deep knowledge of Photoshop, because as a designer we have to do some work. Client doesn't want that which kind of tool you work, which tool you use, and how much knowledge of Photoshop you have. Client wants output, right? So as a designer we have to design it anyhow with the basic tools. So बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं जिनको फोटोशॉप बहुत सारा नहीं पता, और हमें फोटोशॉप को बहुत सारा जानने की जरूरत भी नहीं है. एज अ डिजाइनर हमें फोटोशॉप को एज अ ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से वर्क करना है, ठीक है. अलग अलग लोग अलग अलग तरीके से टूल्स के साथ यूज करते हैं. इसके लिए हमारे पास एक अलग ऑप्शन भी है जहां हम काम कर सकते हैं. सो वी अगेन using Control Z, right? So with the only the part of selection we can do the same thing. Just go on a want to half selection, then go on a subtract selection, then we can do the same thing. Just take rectangular marquee tool and then right. So no need to fill the color and then have to change the color. So we have an option, just go and then Control backspace, Control D. Then I want to make another copy of this layer. So go on a move tool, press Alt key and make a copy. Then Control T, right? And we can just go when we find the curvicle pointer. So just change with the help of Shift, right? Want to fill out background tones, so just do selection and Control backspace. Alt backspace for foreground color and Control backspace for background color, right? Then Control D and just, is it okay? So guys, you need to understand how can we design with the few tools, right? So we need to improve our skill. We need to improve our observational part. कि जैसे मैंने आपको 2 या 3 लोगोस आपको डिजाइन करके दिखाए, आपको टूल्स के साथ यूज करना बताया. So बहुत ज्यादा टूल्स की जरूरत नहीं है. We never know. We don't want to use always कि masking आना चाहिए, इसमें हमें और ज्यादा टूल्स पता होना चाहिए. We can work out, we can solve our problems with the very basic tools. So that's our ability. We need to improve our skill, right? So as a designer, we have to understand that the importance of very basic tools. Don't go with the high-end tools like masking or any other thing. We can do it with the help of very basic tools. So you guys have to understand the importance of these tools. The important tools which I cover today's session, like marquee tool. So elliptical और rectangular marquee tool आज मैंने cover किया. Layers के बारे में आपको बताया, how can we work with the layers, कैसे आप उसको switch कर सकते हो, कैसे हम नई layer convert कर सकते हैं, नई layers बना के आपको कैसे use करना है. So background से start करेंगे, background के बाद धीरे धीरे जो foreground पे आता जाएगा work, हम अलग layers पे उनको डालते जाएंगे. So whenever we want to change it, we can go and we can change the color, right? Suppose we want to change the color in this layer. So we have another layer. So now how can we change the color? Suppose I want to fill that this red tone in this blue. So what's the option? Yep. I have another layer. So it's easy for me to understand and edit the layers. So I want to change the color blue to red. What's the option?
So उस layer के select pixels करके color change कर सकते हैं.
So how can we select this rectangle?
So उस layer में ये जो box बना है,
Yes.
उस पे राइट क्लिक करके ऊपर ऑप्शन होता है सिलेक्ट पिक्सेल्स।
राइट क्लिक किया,
सर बॉक्स पे लेयर के साथ जो बॉक्स है,
बॉक्स पे क्लिक किया,
सर ऊपर सिलेक्ट पिक्सेल्स
select
ऑप्शन है।
pixels.
यस सर, अब इसमें हम कोई भी कलर फिल कर सकते हैं।
आपका नाम?
तुषार अग्रवाल।
तुषार।
यस सर।
दूसरा कोई ऑप्शन? अभी बताया था मैंने।
सर उसी लेयर पे कंट्रोल प्रेस करेंगे तो सिलेक्ट हो जाएगा।
हाँ, सो तुषार ने एक ऑप्शन बताया आपको, यू कैन फाइंड आउट with the select pixels on the box. Just click right click and you can go with the select pixels, so you have hand selection. Shortcut is just press control and click on the box. We have a selection. Now I want to fill the color, so I want to fill the red color. Select it, okay, and then alt backspace. So in this way we can anytime we can change the layers, and we have an option if we put everything on a different layer, so anytime we can change it. That's the use of layers, right? And in today's session we covered the transformation tools. Control T is a shortcut, so you need to understand that you can do scaling with the help of transformation tool. Layers, foreground and background colors, how we switch the foreground or background color, background to foreground or foreground to background. So with the help of X we can do it, right? So when we press X, we can switch the foreground to background and background to foreground. Is it okay? Right? So now it's your turn. You need to design few logos. Just check it out, few logos on Google instead of SBI or HDFC, right? इसके अलावा जो भी आपको और लोगोस मिलते हैं in basic shapes, and with the help of marquee tool you have to design rectangular marquee tool or hectagonal marquee tool you have. So with the help of subtraction, with the help of adding, you have to design something, right? No need to write text. I don't want any kind of typography inside it. You need to design a symbolic design only, right? Any doubt, guys?